Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. That channel being, this is project number what? So here's a powder room where I had already, painted and put some kind of design on the wall and thought that would be enough, but in looking at it, it's just too boring. It needs something else, some kind of handcrafted element. So here is where I started, above the toilet, deciding to put in 2 shelves. Here I'm assembling with screws, 2x4s, that will be the base in which the shelves will be brad nailed into. I've already gotten the first shelf installed. I see that it's level. Now I'm drilling pilot holes to go ahead and start on the second shelf. There was a stud on one side and no stud on the other, so I had to install drywall stabilizers. I can't think of the proper term for that, but here you see I'm just installing the drywall stabilizers so that the 2x4 can be installed securely and not have to worry about slippage or falling down. So here I'm having just a little bit of trouble getting the screws lined up with the stabilizer, but I finally got both boxes installed. These are 2x4 base with 1x6 as the outer box. I decided to paint the boxes instead of staining them because I wanted to just match the black theme in this powder room. Those intruders weren't providing any help. So here we have the boxes all installed and semi-styled. Next, I moved on to the mirror area where I knew I could do something special. So I decided to cut dowels on dowels on dowels to different sizes and painted them black. So here's the mid process. I didn't get a video before of painting. I just used the same paint for the dowels. And this is side by side. And here we are at the end of the project, and you can see up close of the dowels, I apply the dowels to the glass with epoxy adhesive mixture. So you got to be sure if you try this project to get epoxy adhesive. It's very fumy, so make sure things are well ventilated, but those dowels are on that glass to stay. And here's the final styling of the shelves above the toilet. And this is project number what? Complete. Hope you all enjoy.